Are you ready to fly?
Let's light this candle.
I mean, crazy thing about Super Hooligan is like its evolution. It's like an ever-evolving thing, which I think is the most punk rock thing of all, you know. Let's race these hand-built motorcycles. They don't have fairings and they go 150 mile an hour. When it comes to racing, there's always this thing inside you that pushes you. And some people have it and some people don't. And when you have it, there's just like a hand in the middle of your back pushing you faster and faster, pushing harder and harder. It's forever pushing the limits. It's just something you're chasing all the time. At the edge, you're pushing so much, there is the opportunity to not get it right in every single corner. It's a gladiator sport. You got to take the fear and compartmentalize it. It's that mentality. You know, Indian's been a supporter of those bad decisions since they started.